Did you know French is spoken by over 300 million people worldwide? Today, we are exploring basic French vocabulary, like greetings and small talk. Greetings are essential in French culture. For example, as many of you non French speakers also know, bonjour means hello. But what if I say there's another way you could say it? You could also say salut. Another common greeting is bonsoir, which means good evening. It's typically used after 5 p.m. or sunset. Using the right greeting shows respect and cultural awareness. These three ways can be easy ways to greet someone and start a conversation. When someone mentions small talk, the first question might be, how are you, or how have you been doing? Now let's learn how to say that in French. The short phrase comment ça va means how are you? It's a friendly way to engage someone. And if you want to be informal, you can say ça va. Another thing you could do is talk about the weather. Il fait beau aujourd'hui means it's beautiful today. Il fait froid aujourd'hui means it's cold today. And il fait chaud aujourd'hui means it's hot today. If you're meeting them after a while or after a nice weekend or vacation, you can use tu as passé un bon weekend or tu as passé un bon vacances to ask, did you have a nice weekend or did you have a nice vacation? Greetings and small talk are key to social interactions, not just in France, but everywhere around the world. They help establish politeness and connection. Mastering these basics opens doors to meaningful conversations. So, whether you're just traveling or curious, understanding basic French greetings and small talk is a great first step. If you enjoyed this video and or would like more, please do comment. Merci beaucoup et au revoir.